Welcome to another solo theme demo. This demo is going to be for one of the solo features. I have the solo installed on my local and I have the site, and this feature, it's really the website width. The website width I'm talking about today, you have these options you choose with. You have the pixel and the rim, but the actual width it's set by the rim. I put the pixel because it's easy to know exactly the size for it. So it's really easy and straightforward. You could just pick even 100% and save and visit the site. This is now it's 100%. So whatever browser you have is going to be the size for it. If you could pick other size, and the size you pick, it's the max width. So remember that the max width, not the width. The max width, that's mean is going to be the smallest. If you add like what I said today, now it's 64 or 1024 pixel, and if I save, if I refresh the page, see, this is the size you get, but this is the max. But if you go smaller, it's gonna go smaller with you. It's a very unique and nice feature. I hope you like it, and I guess see you in a new feature. Bye.